10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Start 50. Left 4 into water, maybe up right 5.
Ooh.
Left 4 tightens. I'm ahead.
Yep, slow down.
Left 4 tightens into right 4. Into left 5 up, stay mid. Left 5 up, stay mid, 30. Right 4 opens, tightens. Left 4 short, stay right over crest. Right 4 line over crest into left 3. Line over crest into left 3. Right 4 tightens long. Crest into left 4 opens, tightens. Left 4 short, stay mid. Right 3, stay mid over crest into right 5 short. Right 3, stay mid over crest into right 5 short.
That's right 5 short. Catch up.
Up 100, left 4 short. Stay right over crest. Left 4 tightens late. Right 5 tightens 4. Left 4 long, 30. Right 4 long over crest. Right 4 short into left 2. Into stay right. Into left 5 short. Stay right into left 5 short. Stay in over crest. Left 4 short. Stay right into left 6, 200. Crest into left 4 long. Into right 2. Into right 2. Right 2, right 2, up. Up. Nice save. Left 3,
Call that.
Short line.
Call those a little bit sooner. You're good.
Left 4 over crest. Into right 2, stay mid 50. Right 2, stay mid 50. Stay mid into left 2, tightens. Left 2, tightens. Into right 3, opens over jump. Right 3, opens over jump into line 300. Caution, stay in right 3 up 50. Right 3 up 50. Left 3, do not cut. Into right 3 down. Into left 2 opens late. Right 3 down. Into left 2 opens late. 30. Blind right 3. Stay mid. Into left 4 short.
Blind right 3.
Blind right 3. Stay mid. Into, this must be it. Yep. Left 4 short. Into right 4. Into left 4 short. Into right 3, stay mid. Left 4 short, right 3, stay mid. Into left 4, tightens late. Left 4 tightens late. Into right 3, opens crest.
What's over the crest?
Tightens, yep. Right 3, opens, crest, tightens. I might be lost.
Yep, you're good. Reset.
This must be right 3, left 3, into right 4 over crest.
Nope.
Oh, nope. Is this left 3?
That was a longer
Left 2, into right 4.
Turn the fan on.
I think I'm way ahead.
Yeah, you're good. Take your time.
Right 3, up, into left 3. I must be way ahead. I'm gonna catch up here. Left 3 opens, tightens into right 3. Left 3 into right 3 up. Jesus Christ, I'm still not on. Right 3. Right 3 up into left 3.
There we go.
20. Left 3 into right 3 up. Stay left. Right 5 short. Left 4 short. Into right 4 tightens mid up. Crest into left 4 tightens. Into right 4 short. Into left 4 short. Right 5 over crest tightens. Right 4 into left 3. Right 3 stay mid. Left 3. Right 5 short into left 3 up. Left 3 up. Right 4 cut. Left 3 stay mid into caution right hairpin. Right hairpin.
Oh shit. Woohoo!
We're through, that's all that matters. Left 4 into right 4 short. Into left 3 tightens legs. 30. Left 4 over crest 50. Right 5 stay in 50. Crest 50.
Crest 50.
Left 4. Right 4 short into left 5 opens. Right 4 cut. 30. Left 4 up. 100 over double crest into right 3. Line over 100.
No!
Oh, got him. Left 4 opens 20. Right 4 tightens over crest. Right 5 short 100. Left 4 sandy. Sandy. Stay right into right 4 up. Right 4 up. Mid over crest. Right 6 into left 5 over finish. Right 5. Left 5. Didn't go great, didn't go terrible.
Nope.
I knew I was going to get lost in that section.
Yeah, it was okay.
But that's okay. Yes! Yes!
That doesn't sound good. Woo!
Man, we've been waiting for you.
Oh, geez. Well, it took you forever to finish. That's the problem.
They held us for 4 minutes.
Jeez.
Thank you.
What's that? Yep. Got a little squirrely on the entry of the hairpin. Kind of went over the inside of the rock a little bit and then kissed the berm on the outside. That's fine. That's fine.
When you flip around, just walk off the right-hand side over here.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Clutch is getting fucking work.
That was such a fun fucking stage. So am I adding 14 minutes to our actual start time? I'm going to add it to the time on the card. So 43.
Yeah, I would confirm with them.
43. 53. 43.
Oh, that was sandy as fuck.
I thought we were fucked for a minute on that.
It's all good.
Nice save, man. We're holding down first out, Colin.
Thank you. Yep.
It's all fine.